Hey everyone, it's Christmas time and Mikolo sent me some awesome gifts to check out. They sent over a square present and a larger rectangular one. In the last video, I opened up the square one, and you can check that out in the link in the top right. In this video, we're opening the bigger one. Alright, this is the Mikolo portable weight plate and storage tray. This is perfect because right now, all of my weight plates kind of just hang off to the side. So this is definitely on my Christmas list. Thanks, Mikolo. Let's unbox it and set it up. When you open the box, you'll find wrapped all the steel frame parts, wheels, pegs for the weight plates, bolts, washers, nuts, 2 wrenches, and an instruction manual. Putting this together is pretty straightforward. I was using the 2 wrenches it came with, and it got the job done, but you can knock it out even faster with power tools. Once it's fully assembled, here's what we're working with. The tree is a very sturdy stainless steel build, and it has a handle that makes it easy to move around and reposition around your gym. The wheels rotate in all directions, so it rolls smoothly, and there are brakes you can lock in if you want it to stay put. I'm so glad I don't have to leave my weight plates on the floor anymore. I can just load them onto the storage tree, and everything stays organized and looks clean. Plus, this tree can hold barbells too. Big thanks to Mikolo for this awesome Christmas gift. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in my description. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!